We are done buying our domain name from GoDaddy and hosting from MilesWeb. Now it's time to connect our domain name and hosting, web hosting, so that then after connecting, we can set up a beautiful site. So let's get started. Once your web hosting is activated, I'll just come here. Here you'll find the one which we recently brought. Now it's active. Now, if you see the status, you will also receive one mail that your web hosting is activated, and it will ask you that if you are using a domain name which is somewhere else, try mapping it with these two name servers. These name servers would be different for different hostings. For MilesWeb, this is in.solidhosting.pro India and Europe.solidhosting.pro. Either you put this or you put this number, whichever. So let's get started. We'll go to GoDaddy. In GoDaddy, when you click on My Products, you'll find all the domain names which you have already bought. Here, I have recently bought 𝗥𝗲𝘀𝗂𝗏𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 Use my domain. All we need to do is we need to make some settings. I'll just switch back to domains. We need to go to DNS. drishtifoundation.in.com, manage DNS. We need to add those 2 records received on our email from hosting provider, and we need to put it here in order to verify this is the domain name owned by us. So it's loaded and here it shows. So we need to change these 2 name server records. Here it is giving us an option that do you want to choose your name servers. So let's go to change. Let's copy in.solidhosting.pro nameserver 1. Enter my own name servers. So I've pasted this. Another was 𝗥𝗲𝘀𝘂𝗿𝗲𝘀.solidhosting.pro. I've pasted these both and I've put add name servers. Usually it takes a minute or so, but the time till which it will take to reflect the changes here could be up to 24 hours as well. So have patience, it will reflect in a while. Once it is changed, it will give you a notification that your name servers have been changed. We already have added. I've clicked on save. So it says features may be unavailable because we are updating, and as soon as it gets updated, here you'll see these 2 name servers. We already have updated, so we need not add it again. We'll just refresh and maybe we can check it in some time. It would be changed. So it has changed. If you see, It's saying we can't display your DNS because your name servers aren't managed by us, which is now managed by MilesWeb. And you can see that the name servers we changed have reflected, and the hosting has now been mapped to the domain name. The domain name is mapped to the web hosting, and we are successfully done. Now no more we need to configure anything with our domain, so the procedure is done.